which Hermes scarf is Carrie wearing in the Sex and the City episode All That Glitters. First, see the scarf here with her Day Glow underwear outfit. There is a still of that scarf, matched it to this detail here. If any of you do recognize this scarf, let me know at what point you guessed it, because for me this was one that I recognized immediately, which is always a relief. Another look at it right here where we can pick up a few more color. There it is, pause. Here is our color match. It's Oliver Spencer at the bar and we get a different angle. This is the one I'm referring to, matched to this wash of color. The next scene, she comes home to Aiden and we get a beautiful shot of it here. This piece right here is the definitive factor, and that part of the pattern is matched to this one right here. So which Hermes scarf is Carrie wearing in Sex and the City? She is wearing Smiles in the Third Millenary by Sefedine Ibrahim Alamin. Here is exactly why I think it's so important to know about the artist, because that pattern may not appeal to you, but knowing this is incredible. Take a moment to read this, pause it. It's an amazing story. He created 6 different styles. There are his other scarves. So this one is Cougar Tree, Feu du Ciel, Nuba Mountain, and Les Perles de Turkana. And I don't know what happened to the clip of this one, but here's the last one. This one was such a pleasure to do, and please let me know if you have any more suggestions.